to your maths class. Class 10th, we are doing chapter number 4, quadratic equations. Till now, we have done factorization method to solve the quadratic equation. Today, we are going to continue with the same chapter and going to introduce the quadratic formula. Till now, we have done factorization method. So, let me tell you why we need quadratic formula. For this, let's share learning outcomes. After watching today's video, you will be able to solve quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula. You will be able to use a discriminant to determine the number and type of roots of a quadratic equation. So, why we need quadratic formula? This is the main question that arises in our minds. The quadratic formula allows you to solve any quadratic equation if you cannot factor it. बेटा सपोज करिए यहाँ पे मैं अगर इक्वेशन लिखूं x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, you will not be able to make factors out of it. So in these type of situations where factors are difficult to make, or let's take some more example, 3x square minus 50x plus 45 is equal to 0, or where numbers are large, it's very difficult sometimes for us to make out which factors we can make out of it. Here quadratic formula is very helpful to us. Quadratic formula can solve any quadratic equation even if we cannot make factors out of it. Now we know that standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is called our quadratic formula. What we have to do, we have to just identify the values of a, b and c from the standard form of the quadratic equation and substitute the values here. Here there is a term b square minus 4ac. It plays a very important role in quadratic formula. So let's discuss about it. It is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Why is discriminant so important to us? The discriminant tells us the number and types of answers, the roots we will get, whether how many zeros we are going to get and what type of zeros are they. Discriminant can be positive, negative or 0. Obviously when you solve any equation, you can get three answers, either a positive integer, positive real number, or a negative real number, or a 0. Depending upon the value of the discriminant, we can predict the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. What the discriminant tells us? Let's see. If the discriminant is negative, it shows that a quadratic equation has no real roots. But if the discriminant is positive, it means roots will be real and distinct. Distinct or different, unique. 0 means if discriminant is 0, that means roots are real and equal. So there will be three values of discriminant, either negative or positive or 0. If discriminant is negative, then no real roots. If discriminant is positive, then roots are real and distinct. And if discriminant is 0, then roots are real and equal. Let's take an example to explain it. Find the roots of the quadratic equations given by applying the quadratic formula. First of all, we have to see that whether it is in standard form or not. Here it is already in the standard form. So compare it with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we get a as 2, b as minus 7 and c as 3. So first step will be to find a discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. It gives us minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Minus 7 square will be 49 and 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. We get 25 and 25 is a negative number which is positive. So what we have done previously, since d is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and distinct. This will be your first step whenever you are going to apply the quadratic formula. First of all, find a discriminant. If your roots are real and distinct, then you will proceed further. Now applying the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We can write it also as minus b plus minus root d, because b square minus 4ac is discriminant, upon 2a. Now substituting the values, we get x is equal to, what is b here? Minus 7. So minus of minus 7 plus minus d we have find out 25 upon 2a. 2 into 2. बेटा minus minus plus 7 और 25 का root हो गया 5. 2 2s are 4. So we have two signs, plus and minus. So x will be 7 plus 5 by 4 first root, and second root will be 7 minus 5 by 4. So we get 12 over 4, and here 2 by 4. 12 और 4 की कटिंग हो गई 3 आ गया, और 2 by 4 की कटिंग करके 1 by 2. So our roots are, इस इक्वेशन के हमारे रूट्स आ गए 3 and 1 by 2. I hope steps are clear to you. Let me repeat again. First step is, we have to check whether the given equation is in standard form or not. If it is not in standard form, then write it in the standard form first. Then compare with the standard form and find ABC. Next step will be to find a discriminant. After finding a discriminant, check whether its value is positive, negative or 0. According to the value we have, as done previously, we will write whether roots are real, not real, or real and distinct, or real and equal. So here roots are real and distinct. तो x की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके आएगी, तो वो है x इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. Substituting the values, we get the answer. Let's do one more question. So here again, it's already in standard form. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is 3. So what will be our next step? As discussed previously, we will find a discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting the values, 4 root 3 square minus 4, a की वैल्यू 4, c की 3. स्क्वायर किया बेटा, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3. यहाँ भी 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. अब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 आ गया, therefore roots are real and equal. Students, remember one thing, you will proceed further only if, आप आगे क्वेश्चन तभी करोगे अगर आपका d पॉजिटिव आए या 0 आए. अगर कभी भी आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट लेस देन 0 आया, then no real roots, then you will not apply the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is applied only when discriminant is greater than 0 or equal to 0. In case of discriminant is less than 0, you will not apply quadratic formula. So here discriminant is 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or I have already told we can write it also as minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now substituting the values, minus 4 root 3 plus minus d is already 0, 2a, 2 into 4, we get minus 4 root 3 by 8. plus minus 0. Now we will add 0 and we will subtract 0. So x की value we will get minus 4 root 3 plus 0 by 8 or minus 4 root 3 minus 0 by 8. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8 and minus 4 root 3 by 8. Cutting करेंगे 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So our roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. तो जब भी आपका discriminant 0 आएगा, it means we are going to get equal roots. Now moving on to next question. Question number 3, first part. Solve करना है x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, x is not equal to 0. For this we will take LCM first. x यहाँ आ गया x square minus 1 is equal to 3. Now cross multiplying, x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now change it into standard form. We can write it as x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Next step will be to compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1. Now find a discriminant. D will be b square minus 4ac. That means minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. बेटा minus 3 का square 9. यहाँ minus minus plus 9 plus 4 is 13. तो discriminant क्या आ गया? Positive. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. So we will apply quadratic formula. याद हो गया कि quadratic formula apply कब नहीं करेंगे? जब discriminant negative आएगा. So we get minus 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2 into 1. So 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. बेटा एक बार प्लस का साइन लेंगे, 3 plus root 13 by 2 और सेकेंड टाइम नेगेटिव साइन 3 minus root 13 by 2. तो आपको इन क्वेश्चंस के बाद ये समझ आ गया होगा व्हाई वी नीड क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू फैक्टराइज एवरी टाइम. ठीक है. और सेकेंडली क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला में डिस्क्रिमिनेंट से हम नेचर ऑफ रूट्स भी बता सकते हैं. यही आज की हमारी मेन लर्निंग आउटकम थी. व्हाई वी नीड क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला and what is the importance of discriminant in our quadratic formula. I hope you people will be able to do more sums like this. We will be meeting in next video with some more questions. Thank you.